Hey, what is going on, guys? Sean here, living the corporate pilot life. You guys see these big blue crates sitting behind me? Yeah, those are engines going on one of our Hawkers. They are actually loaner engines. We took ours off. They're getting some inspections done, so we borrowed these from Hawker. They let us use these while they're fixing up our other ones. Just some routine inspections. But I haven't done a Tech Tuesday video in a while for you guys, so I figured I'd get out here, do a little video, show you guys what this Hawker looks like with these engines pulled off. Here in a few days, these crates will get opened up, and I'll show you guys what they look like on the inside and how all that goes together. But until that happens, I figure I'll show you this girl all pulled apart. So let's come over here and check it out. So this is it. This is the pylon that holds the engine onto the airplane. As you can see, there's not a whole lot to it. As we get up here a little bit closer, you'll see some ports. I'm not really sure what these ones back here are for. I'll have to get with our maintenance guys and find out. But up here, these are actually the pneumatic ports. This is where the high pressure air goes into the airplane. That's what pressurizes the bird. And there's two of them because there's two different ports. There's a low pressure one and a high pressure one. Depending on the needs of the airplane, we can pull it off of different parts of the engine. If I go back here a little bit farther, you'll see these two holes. That's two of the mounting holes that's going to hold the engine on. And the scary part is there's only two more. There's one right here and one right there. That's all that holds this bird together. It's kind of crazy. That's all that holds the engine on. But yeah, that's it. As we come up front, you can see this is where the fuel and hydraulic lines come in. We got some electrics hanging down here. This is what we're going to use to start the engine and such. But yeah, over here, you can see it bagged up. This is the fuel line. That's what feeds the beast. Not a huge fuel line, but I don't know, like a ½ inch, maybe a little over ½ inch, not quite 3/4 probably. And then these three are all hydraulic lines. And you guys have seen the hydraulic pump before. Kind of a small little hydraulic pump, but puts out 3,000 PSI. So they've just got it dangling here, holding it in place while they get the engine set up. And then the only other thing dangling back here, this is actually the throttle linkage. That is connected, that cable right there runs all the way up to the cockpit. And that's what we push and pull on to make the engine spool up or spool down. So pretty simple. You guys see these little brackets here. These are the cowling brackets. So not really anything that holds on to that. This is just the external fiberglass cowling that's held on, or aluminum. I'm not sure which one these are. But this big bracket right here, that's really what holds the engine onto the airplane. Big old aluminum bracket there, held on with some pretty good sized bolts. But like I said, these two, top and bottom, that's really what takes all the weight of the engines to hold them on. Castellated nuts with the cotter pins there hold the big bracket in place. And then again, those are the other two that hold the back end in place. So like I said, little scary that's all that holds it on. Not a whole lot to it, but yeah, that's it. So again, here behind me, these are the engines that are going to be coming on probably in the next 3 days. So we're going to pull these open probably tomorrow or the next day. We'll open these crates up, get a look at them, make sure everything looks good. There's your weight for you guys. Gross weight, 1,134 kilograms. Somebody will have to do the math on that, tell me what that weighs. But yeah, these things will go on here shortly. So not a whole lot to it, kind of a simple Tech Tuesday today, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I've never seen one with the engines completely pulled off a Hawker like this. So hopefully you guys like it. Let me know what you guys think, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Keep living the corporate pilot life.